Welcome to my class. Today's question, as you can see, is how to prove 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square dot 1 by 100 square is less than 2. So how to solve this question? So here is our question. As you can see, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square dot 1 by 100 square is less than 2 that we are required to prove. Now first term is 1 by 1, that is 1. Second term is 1 by 1 times 2. Second term is less than 1 by 1 times 2. Similarly, third term is also less than 1 by 2 times 3. Let us take one more term, 1 by 4 square. That will be less than 1 by 3 times 4. And following the similar pattern, we can say 1 by 100 square is less than 1 by 99 times 100. That means if this is our left hand side, so we can say left hand side, which is this, is less than this, which can be written as 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 dot and then final term would be 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100. So that is 1 by 100. And now if you take a careful look, we can cancel all the terms, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and similarly till here, and we are only left with 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 100, which is 2 minus 1 by 100, which is less than 2. So we can say the left hand side, that is this, is less than 2, hence proved. I hope so far everything is clear. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is, if a square minus b square is equal to 25, then a minus b is what? A and b are positive integers. A square minus b square is 25. We can represent, if we can factor 25, it can be written as 1 times 25 or 5 times 5 or 25 times 1. We cannot have more than these factors. We can have only these three possible factors. Left hand side is a minus b and a plus b. Now a plus b will be always greater than a minus b. So a plus b is greater than a minus b. That means this is A and this is B. So A plus B cannot be the second option, and A plus B will be, if we take this as 25 and this as 1, this is not possible. So only possibility is A minus B is 1 and A plus B is 25. I hope my explanation was clear. If you liked my lesson, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. You can contact us for our online classes. We conduct online classes for K-12 math, physics, chemistry, test prep. These are the different exams that we conduct, and we are forming a batch for CBSE class 10. If you want to join, you can contact us on our website math.scitutors.in or our email onlineteacher7@gmail.com. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.